Don't you hate it when your ratchet doesn't fit your socket? Well, to overcome this is a tip that Kev from the Gentleman's Motor Racing team suggested, and that is this little kit that he got from Screwfix. So I got one myself. So this little kit comes with 6 adapters, which allows you to have any socket fit any ratchet that you have. So it's saying it comes with 6. So this allows you, I'll read it here, to go from 1/2 inch to 3/8, 1/4 inch to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/4 inch, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch, and 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. So with this little kit, anything is going to be possible. So this is 3/8, this is 1/2 inch. Take the appropriate adapter, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, so this is a little midweek tool tip. So I came across this tool here, which has been very useful to me on the thing project that I have. So if you're on my Instagram, you'll notice that I am making a thing, which will be in a video very soon, all being well. But to do that, I needed to take studs out of an old gearbox casing. Obviously not this one. And obviously what you could do there is use the 2-nut method and then work the nuts against themselves, and it'll loosen the stud. Now that was working fine for some of them. Some of them were well and truly almost welded into the casing. Some had stripped threads, and one of them even actually was sheared as well. So making it not possible, I was only able to get one nut on in some places. So this is a stud extractor tool. It says nothing new, but this has been a fantastic help in that. So, and it's something which will probably get a bit of use in the future. So using that adapter that Kev recommended, basically this will do quite a plethora of sizes of stud. So as you can see, that this the mouth actually changes and tightens and loosens appropriately. So essentially what happens is you tighten it onto the stud. As it tightens, it'll actually loosen, and the other way around, which put the stud back in again. As you are bringing it up, it actually gets to the point where it starts to loosen, and actually that's the stud in then. You will of course have to torque up your studs as well, but this is a great help. So, okay, so let's use this stud as an example. So the mouth of the extractor tool is roughly and just slightly bigger than the stud, so it slides on there with a little bit of wiggle room. So what we want to do is to go through the motions of loosening. So as we are using the ratchet to loosen the stud, it actually tightens the extractor tool around the stud. So as we hold the stud extractor tool as we loosen, while it's doing that, it's tightening the mouth around the stud, and now, as you can see, it's now starting to turn the stud. And there we have one stud extracted using the extractor tool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that very quick midweek top tip here at Team Ballylough Classics. This tool is going to be very useful for working on old gearboxes and engines and so on, anything where we have a problematic stud. So yeah, nice useful little tool. Wasn't terribly expensive, but it's an eBay special. I'll see how much it was, and if I can find the link, I'll put a link for it up in the description below. I'll also put a link to the little Screwfix adapter kits as well that Kev recommended. So yeah, thanks Kev for recommending those on your channel as well. So they've been very useful. So yeah, thanks very much again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.